Hi, it's Christy, and today with the holidays, everybody is cooking up new little recipes. I've got a staple that I make, my sausage balls. Everyone loves my balls. My balls get so many requests every holiday, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy my spicy balls as well. That's a spicy sausage ball. That's good. That's good. Three ingredients. Three ingredients is all you'll need to make these sausage balls. Stick with us, and I'll show you how to do it. The hardest thing, I think, is sometimes the balls will stick to the pan, so make sure you spray the pan a little bit beforehand. Sometimes they stick, sometimes they don't. I don't know why, but always have a can handy so you can drain the grease drippings into this and save it. Bacon grease, sausage grease. This grease is so fantastic to use in so many things. I save it to when I make green beans to put it in and cook. It makes the best green bean seasoning ever. But these sausage balls took 3 ingredients, took 30 minutes, done, and it will be a smash at any parties or family gatherings that you have. If you enjoyed the video, click on the subscribe button, click on the little bell to get notifications, and I'm gonna come up with more videos that you, the novice cook, can make with very few ingredients and zero cooking ability. So come back and see me again. Bon appetit.